Welcome back to Tech Social Tips. I just got this charger. I got this off of Amazon. It's the Merit 25-watt USB-C charger. And I wanted to make sure I get a fast charger. So it is 5 watts faster than the standard charger that comes from Apple. It's supposed to work with Samsung and Apple phones. It comes with a cable, but that cable is for Android phones. And I have my own cable that I'm going to be using with this charger block. And this is the block, and this is the cable that comes with it. So this is the USB-C cable. You can see here. I'm not too happy with the build quality of this. It doesn't look very durable. It looks kind of thin and flimsy, but the plus is that you can replace this cable with a cable of your own, which is what I'm going to be doing with this Apple cable. So I have the block here. A quick thing to also note is that the quick charge feature would only work when your phone is powered on. The quick charge works with software installed on the phone, and in order to use that software, the phone has to be powered on. So that's just a quick tip about fast charging. So if you want that, first 50% charge within a short period of time, your phone needs to be on. Otherwise, it will charge, using whatever wattage your block comes with. The 25 watt, it'll charge according to the wattage of your charger block. I'll make an update video of how fast it is, and of course the links will be down in the description or where you can get it on Amazon. That's it. That's all that comes with it. This is my cable. This is what comes in. Just this and this.